Corey, you ugly as hell. Kill yourself. You are adorable. My uncle called you beautiful.
They figure me a dead motherfucker, but I'm just a motherfucker that wanna be dead. No liquor with the lead in his head, turning me into his friend. Bitches and spears and fucking best friend. I'll be the silhouette of a sunset, smoke a cigarette while I compress. My depression stepping to the violent, progressive lies, getting violent. I'm trying to get the highest I can get before all the doesn't die. My ribs are nothing but an empty gauge, black coal in my chest, big bang, I'm played on the tip of a wave. In my head I feel like I'm like a from my third all away, because when I am dead I will be nothing, decomposing in the grave. I'm mad but I don't matter, I can feel my skull shatter from the dough chatter. Brain splattered on the wall, gray stains, windows off, gonna have to paint it on.
Always boasting my emotions on how I'm so fucking broken. Think I'm joking when I'm talking about blowing my head open to the moment you walk in and find my body motionless, wrist slit, thoughts of slipping, falling in an open pit. Shit, always burn my bridges, cause I'd rather fall in ditches. If life's a game of inches and my dick has been the biggest, and my goals to fuck the world until them motherfuckers switching lanes, switching same mission to die and blame my addiction, bitch.
Blind fire, that's crazy.